captain, who finds him again. Get the pass to that man in the middle. What can he do? Looking for a man from the left wing. From Bay City. Who struck that ball directly to that goal post? City, an unimaginable goal for Bay City, the second goal. A very good combination work. That is what to call teamwork for Bay City. That ball started from that man at number 7, who find that captain, who located the man in the middle, who now said instead of striking that ball to the goal post, he finds that man from the left wing. Okay, free kick to Bay City to take it, but I think JC. The free kick taken now with a long shot that goes direct to the goal post. Oh no! That's a very wonderful one for Bay City.
Finally, thank God.
A very wonderful one for Bay City. The free kick was taken from a very long distance by Patrick Jackson for Bay City. Unknowingly for Platinum FC. The ball gradually gets into the goal post for that man at the mid-clear center. Just hit the ball a little bit, and the goalkeeper gets confused as he never sees the ball and flipped into the goal post of Platinum FC.